everyone. Today I am back, Abiha. So today we are going to be looking at how we can make our stroke a pattern. So first we're gonna, well, you can draw anything you like to be for your stroke. I'm going to draw something like a square there. And a square there, just gonna copy it, and then like that. Then we can even zoom in to check. And then what we're gonna do is, if you wanna copy me, then what you can do is you can select the two and you can put it down low like that. Alright, this is another way of drawing a big rectangle and then drawing lines and making it into 4 quarters. So, now what we're going to do is, we might want to draw some circles to make it look pretty, like that. And then we can copy it to the other one. I mean, if you don't really want to, if you don't really want your page to be like this, once we're done with the coloring, you can put the stroke to nothing. That's what I'm gonna do. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on the coloring. So I'm gonna choose this light blue, and then maybe for the insides of the circles, choose dark blue. And then for my last color, I'm gonna choose purple. So now that we're done with our coloring, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put the stroke to nothing. Stroke nothing. And then we can kind of see if we've done something wrong. So now let's put it down like that, and then that's gonna be our part. That's gonna be our thing that's gonna go on. So now that we have our tiny little thing right there, what we're gonna do is we are gonna select it, and we're gonna go in window, and we're gonna get out our brushes. Here are our brushes, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on these 3 lines, which is called the hamburger lines. And then we're gonna click on new brush, pattern brush, so no scatter brush, pattern brush, and then we can click on OK. So now it shows you a bunch of these options. If it shows you this, like the triangle, then you click on this line and you can click on that, so that on the corners you won't have it looking just like that. You don't want it looking like that. And we can put the spacing to 50, because right now, can you see how it's just put together? So we're gonna do that, 50, so that we have enough room. And then, if we click on space to fit, well, if we click on stretch to fit, can you see how this one is like stretching up? If we click on add space to fit, it's all okay. So now let's click on OK. And then now let's try making a rectangle, because the thing happens, because if you look here, can you see, only on the rectangles this happens. Right, so now we can just click on it. And then we can click on OK. So now you don't necessarily have to. Oh, I just took a part of my thing. So now, whenever I draw a rectangle, and if I put the fill to nothing, and then if I put my stroke to the pattern, and then the stroke will be that. So now you can use this in all sorts of things. you can maybe put them together, and you can put it like a sort of design like that. Can you see mine's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and you won't even have to use a pattern thing. So that is the end of my video. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.